And now it's time for everyone's favourite course. This is spectacular. This is a popcorn eclair served with a salt butterscotch. It is delicious. I've just warmed the salt butterscotch up in a saucepan, and I'm going to just pour that into the middle of the plate, just to create a big puddle of the sauce. And then we're going to pipe into our choux bun this delicious popcorn creme diplomat, and you want to just pipe it until it just, there it is, starts to bulge and it's full, and that is it. We pop that in the centre of the plate, and it's a nice, quick, simple, easy dessert to do, but let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. That is the popcorn eclair with a salted butterscotch sauce.